ready to sail the skies and climb the clouds. Getting this launcher ready isn't easy, and those wing gliders are almost here. Still need to put the wings in place. Can't have a wing glider without wings. When these wings are in place, you'll fly and see Berk better than any dragon. Toothless, you know what we call a wing glider without wings? Trouble! It's terrible. You need help.
Whoa!
Hang on! American shake! And on your left, you'll see some rockworks, which are well known to explode when they hatch. But don't worry, they only hatch in exactly these conditions at exactly this time of year. Which means that stopping here would be a really bad idea. Oh boy. Hold on tight. The glider wasn't built for this. Head down. That's it. You're quite the wing glider. I am completely impressed. If you ever want to go flying again, just stop by. Toothless and I will be waiting for you. We're the best of friends. Ah, Toothless, not the face, not the face. I have no idea where your tongue's been. Now, gather up all your axes, helmets, and shields and prepare to exit the wing glider. And don't feed the dragons, please. We have enough trouble as it is trying to shoo them out of here.